So we're listening to the thunder. I hope you can hear it. And the peacocks cooing. This is Pakistan, most beautiful country in the world. See, all the peacocks are agreeing. They're saying, yes, Pakistan is the most beautiful country in the world. So there's been so much propaganda against Pakistan. The enemies of Pakistan are trying to discourage tourism by creating terrorist incidents and publicizing it all over the world. But actually, there's practically no terrorism in Pakistan. That's just the media's propaganda. I never saw any terrorism here. And I've met thousands of people who are very, very hospitable and friendly and loving. The most wonderful people in the world. So please, come to Pakistan yourself and see that what I'm saying is true. Don't believe the false propaganda in the media. Praise be to God. May God protect us. They're confirming.